telling you about Scratch. So today I will be teaching you about the motion blocks. Now, the first thing about motion blocks is what is the meaning behind it? So motion means move. So that means all these blocks are related to moving. So the first block we're going to see is going to events. We're going to take a one green flag is clicked and go to motion. The first block we're going to be reviewing is move 10 steps. So when I put this block down, if I click green flag, it will move 10 steps. Then I can go to turn 15 degrees this way. So this way is right. So now it's going to turn like this, which is, I think, counterclockwise, and this one is clockwise, which goes left. Now, you can also go to random position. So random position means it goes wherever you want. Not really wherever, it goes by itself. You can also change it to mouse pointer. So it's gonna go to mouse pointer when I click it. So like if it goes all the way over here, I click it and then it goes over here. Now, you can also do this with another character, right? For example, an apple. You can make it so that it goes to the apple. So you go over here, you click apple, you move it far away from the apple, click it, boom, apple. Went all the way to the apple. You can move it over here, you can move it over here, and it goes to the apple all the time because of this code. The next block we're going to be reviewing is go X something something, Y something something. So for X, we always have to put it in the negative. So negative, let's do 56. And Y, let's do 6, 7, 8. So we're just going to move this. And look, see, it moves to that coordinate. So these are coordinates, okay? So I'm going to put it like over here, 4, 4. And it moves a little bit. Now, if you try to click it again, it won't move. It'll only go to that specific coordinate in the screen. Then we got glide 1 second to random position. So right now we're just going to do random position and it glides to wherever. You can make it glide to mouse pointer and it'll glide all the way to mouse pointer, or you can make it glide to apple. So I'm going to move apple over here. It's going to glide to apple. The next one that we're going to be reviewing is glide 1 second to this coordinate. So that coordinate, I will be clicking and it'll glide right to that coordinate. So it basically, look at this part over here. When I move it, it changes coordinates. You see that? Right here. Look at this one right here, okay? It changes when I move this character. So it's resetting the coordinates, which is very helpful if you want to go specific coordinates. So the next block I'm going to be showing you is point in direction 90. If I click this, it's going to point in the direction. I can also change it to maybe here. This gives you a good diagram of where you want to do it. So I'm going to put it over here, right here, on 135, and it's going to turn. So this is kind of like a turning block. If you want it to face maybe like over here, like a kicking move or something. Now, you can also change it manually by just clicking X and typing it. So you can do 470, go click it. Now, zeros don't really count. Well, actually they do, but I would recommend not using big numbers like that. The biggest number you can go to is around maybe 180. Nothing above that. Okay? And the next block is point towards mouse pointer. So point towards means if I put my mouse pointer here, look at its face. It moved. And then if I do point towards apple, I'm going to move the apple over here. Look at the Scratch Cat's face. It looks at the apple. Now, then after that, you can do change X by 10, which makes it move. It makes it move right. Or you can do change Y by 10, which makes it move up. Now, we also got these blocks, which are also like coordinates. So you can do these two, which you need to put in one of these controls. Now, we will be showing that next time, but for now, there's also if on edge bounce. So if it's on edge, bounce. See that? So it just bounced a little bit. See, it bounced on the edge. So you can also set the rotation style to left, right. You can change it to don't rotate, so it will not rotate, or you can change it to all around. So, thank you for watching, and this today's lesson was about motion. The next episode is going to be about looks. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.